Hi everyone, my name is Fire Sariza and I'm from the Devera company. So I will briefly show you the organization chart of our company, Devera. So the general manager of our company is Nazian Taijian binti Tai Kyok Kyong, and me as the marketing manager, Fire Sariza binti Ramin, and Noshaira Fatini binti Abdul Yajid as the financial manager. We will show you our developing product, which call it as the aloe vera hair oil. And I will show you the picture of our product as you can see at the screen. So, how to use this product? The first one, you have to pump the hair oil. Next, after you pump the hair oil, you can put it in your hair skin to make it more thicker, or you can put it on your hair so it will make your hair more shine. So, why our company decide to develop this aloe vera hair oil is because it is very helpful to people that have hair loss problem. And producing this product will give big amount of profit for our company. This is because the ingredients for this product is easy to find and only require a simple ingredient. Moreover, to develop this aloe vera hair oil, only needed environmental friendly ingredients, so it is easy to manage the waste from this process. Lastly, the most important thing is the aloe vera hair oil did not have chemical ingredients, as these days people tend to find the product that have natural ingredients. This is because some chemical ingredient are not suitable for certain people. That's why people these days tend to buy product that only have the natural ingredient. Who is the target audience for our product? The target audience for our product is people that have problem hair loss and people that want their hair more thicker than before. So this is because our product can solve their problem, as vitamin A, C and E are present in aloe vera. These three elements are contribute to cell turnover, encouraging healthy growth of health and shiny hair. Moreover, aloe vera gel contains vitamin B12 and folic acid that can prevent hair from falling out.
Hi, I am Shaira Fatini. Now I would like to share about our product, the Vera price and cost breakdowns. So basically, for the price and cost breakdowns, it involves the ingredients cost and the material cost, the fixed cost, which led to a total cost of 24 ringgit 85 cents for us to produce one product of 100 ml, the aloe vera hair oil. So with that, we decided to put an affordable price for this product, which is 30 ringgit, and with that we gain profit for one bottle of 100 ml with about 5 ringgit and 50 cents. Since our brand are still new in this industry, we acknowledge the top 3 companies as our competitors. So for the first one is obviously the L'Oreal Paris, because L'Oreal Paris has been established in Malaysia since 1995. So it is a big company. It has about 800 employees in Malaysia. Compared to us, we are only a small company. So for the latest product of theirs, they have produced L'Oreal Paris LC extraordinary oil about 100 ml, sold at 44 ringgit 50 cents, which is about 10 ringgit and 50 cents differences with our price. Second one is Sunsilk, another big company. This is one of popular brand under Unilever Global Company. The latest brand they produce for hair oil is the Sunsilk Hair Treatment Avocado Grip Seed Oil, about 80 ml, sold at 21 ringgit and 90 cents. So thirdly, the Palmer's. The Palmer's has been operated in Malaysia since 1983 under Profarm Malaysia's in Number Heart. So the latest product of theirs are the Palmer's hair oil. For 150 ml, it's sold at 21 ringgit and 92 cents. So look at here, it has 3 varieties of hair oil. It has coconut, it has almond, and cocoa butter formula. So within these 3 top companies, it motivates us to continue and building our brand to be trusted and acknowledged by many.
Now, I will explain on how to produce the aloe vera hair oil. Before that, I will introduce to you about the ingredients that are involved in the productions of our hair oil products, which are the aloe vera, coconut oil, castor oil, olive oil, and also the lemon juice. Now, let's move on to the process in producing the aloe vera hair oil. Firstly, the aloe vera was collected and washed properly. All the impurities from the aloe vera was made sure to be removed completely to avoid any contaminations. Then, the aloe vera was cut into cubes and being put aside for a while. Next, the ingredients that need to be mixed with the aloe vera was prepared, which is the coconut flesh was separated from its shell by shaving it and rinsed off with tap water. Then the clean coconut flesh being cut into small pieces. Then, a little bit of water was added into the coconut flesh that had been cut and was blended together until it became like smoothie structure. Next, the blended coconut was filtered, which only its liquid was collected and being processed to get the oil. The oil is obtained with the temperature of 19 degrees Celsius under cold press condition. Now is the time for mixing all the ingredients, which are the aloe vera cubes, coconut oil, together with the castor oil and olive oil. All the ingredients were mixed well by warming them with the hot water without need to boil them for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the addition ingredients, which was the lemon juice extract, was then added to give the oil a fresh smell. The mixture then allowed to set for 2 days before being tested for its quality. The quality of the hair oil was tested for the second times, which need to undergo several clinical testing in laboratory. This is to ensure the products are safe to be used. The aloe vera hair oil was packed in 100 ml pump bottles, labeled and sealed tightly to avoid any leaking during the delivery process. And finally, the aloe vera hair oil was packed, which is ready to be distributed and for marketing. As we all know that there are variety types of the hair oil that are already available in the market, such as the extraordinary oil bowl from the L'Oreal Paris, coconut oil from Palmer's, and also the hair treatment avocado grapeseed from the Sunsilk. All of these hair oils are aiming the same purpose, which is to treat the hair problems of people. So, what is the uniqueness of our aloe vera hair oil with all those hair oil in the market? There are several uniqueness of our products from the markets. As mentioned, our product's main ingredients is the aloe vera, which we know that aloe vera contains many benefits towards humans, and one of it is the benefits is towards human hair. This is because aloe vera contains the proteolytic enzymes which that help to stimulate the hair follicles to fix the scalp problems and also promote hair growth. Moreover, our aloe vera hair oil also infused with 3 types of the natural oil, such as the coconut oil, olive oil, and also the castor oil, which all of this oil can help in acting best, solving the problems such as not volumizing hair, hair fall problem, and also the fizzing hair problem. Moreover, our hair oil also being bottled in a 100 ml bottle, which it have the pump. This giving the convenience to the consumer to only need to pump the products and apply it to their hair. And at the same time, our products also have the lock, which is located at the pump. This can give more secure for the consumer for the hair oil to prevent any spill especially when they go out for travel. In addition, as one bottle of our hair oil is in 100 ml, which it is estimated can last long for 6 months. So the consumer can save more and no need to repurchase the hair oil every month, as the retail price of our products is only Rm 30 ringgit, which is much more affordable than other hair oil that are available in the market. And lastly, as our products is made of the natural ingredients, so it is not harmful and are safely to be used to all people. So, do you encounter with any hair problems that I had mentioned before? If yes, this is the time for you to try our products, which is the aloe vera hair oil, to solve your hair problem.